Unraveling the mystery of Wednesday, the fourth day of the week. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're diving into a specific day of the week, Wednesday. As we journey through our English language learning adventure, it's important to understand the names and order of the days of the week. So, let's zoom into Wednesday, the fourth day of the week, and see what we can uncover. Wednesday, falling right in the middle of our 7-day week, is often referred to as Hump Day, because it's the hill we climb over to slide into the weekend. Remember, in English, we begin our week with Monday, followed by Tuesday, and then comes Wednesday. Did you know the days of the week are steeped in history? Wednesday is no different. The English language, filled with words borrowed from other languages and cultures, names this day after the Germanic god Woden, also known as Odin in Norse mythology. Woden's Day eventually evolved into the word we use today, Wednesday. Knowing the word is one thing, but using it in a sentence is the true test of language learning. Here are some examples. 1. I have a meeting scheduled for Wednesday. 2. Wednesday is my favorite day of the week because I get to take a dance class. 3. Every Wednesday, we have family dinner at my grandma's house. Try creating your own sentences with Wednesday. Despite its peculiar spelling, Wednesday is pronounced as Wednesday. This is an example of a word where we don't pronounce all the letters we see. English is full of such words, so don't let it throw you off. With practice, it becomes easier. Now that we've unraveled the mystery of Wednesday, you're one step closer to mastering the days of the week in English. Remember, every day brings a new opportunity for learning. So, until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and happy Wednesday to you.